Hello, welcome to episode 59 of City Sausages on Dashcam, mostly all around Carlisle. Most of the videos have been muted because of data protection and to protect the people in my taxi, apart from the one passenger that requested to be on. Anyway, here we go then. So this is on London Road. This was sent in to me. This is just a typical guy, woman overtaken in a 30. This one is another one sent in. This is just absolutely ridiculous. I think it was early hours in the morning. But still, they just don't care, do they? Absolutely nuts. I think this is on the new bypass, if I'm correct. I think this is somebody speeding. This is just a new stretch of road as well. It's just been built. And we'll get speed restrictions put on because of like 40 mile an hour speed restrictions because of prats like that. This guy was doing 60 as well. Just left everybody for dust. Speed cameras needed, I think. It's not even a month old, this road. The second half of the bypass. The one sent in, top of Scotland Road coming to Stanix Bank. Someone doing the wacky races there. In a hurry. Such a busy spot that as well, that junction. Mental. There's often bumps and crashes on that bit, especially these lights coming up. Another one sent in. This is at Weatherall. I know the kids are not very well lit up, but nice DPD driver. Lovely cutting the corner there. That's just bad. Laziness and bad. What happens on this? A red light runner, perhaps? Yeah. I mean, how blatant that is. Crazy. I think this is someone that just can't decide what lane they're in. Oh, yeah, they've just cut through, haven't they? They've just cut across. Twice. People just can't drive roundabouts, can they? What clippets? I mean, I am perfect. Nobody is, but almost the standards of driving I see around the city in my taxi, and like I see other people sending me stuff in as well. This is on Kingstown Road. I think, if I remember, this is a lovely indication. Not. They aren't indicators, they're just the lights flickering. I think that's what happened there. Unless I didn't record most of that, but that's what happened. Another one that thinks it's okay to just park on the zigzags. See that all the time and all. Yeah, it's alright. Don't mind me. Oh, and there's somebody on the wacky races there as well. This is another one. I know it's petty, I know it's daft, but it's once again, it's such a simple thing to indicate, but drivers didn't do it. I think this driver didn't indicate twice. Why is it so hard? Doesn't indicate first time, doesn't indicate second time either. That's just shocking, man. Let's watch the potholes around Stonegarth. Durham Hill. I can't remember what happens here. It was a while back. Indicated there, yeah. And decides don't have to indicate on that turning. So indicates correctly in the first one, but second one just don't give a toot. Is this somebody running the red lights? This is another awful junction as well. As you can see, the summer weather in Carlisle again. There we go. Clearly just can't see the red light there end. No need to get a speeder on the right there, but red light means go to this driver. I mean, how are they passing the tests? Eh? This one was sent in, I think, I remember the message was proper lane hogging. Just goes into the second lane for no apparent reason whatsoever. And I see this all the time on the motorway. Just constantly. This is the M6. I mean, why? Why even just drive and pull into that lane? I just don't understand it. The logical thinking. Still, loads of people don't realise there's only one lane on the motorway. The other two are overtaking lanes. I'll just sit there and I'll just chill out. Answers on a postcard, please. Definitely a silly sausage or Russ. And some people say, how long do you have to be sitting in the middle lane to be classed as a lane hogger? Yeah, these delivery drivers on bikes, they're just a nightmare. No bright clothing whatsoever. You can hardly see them. Look, on a dull day, not a fluorescent bit of kit on them at all. You just cannot see them. And that road is just a disgrace. The potholes on there, honest to God, I mean, that's a busy road as well. I mean, if there's any road that needs resurfaced in Carlisle, it's this one. Somebody sent us this as well. Yeah. Someone in a hurry. Goes, mate. Don't even know if that was Cumbria, but London Road. This really grinds my gears. People that stop at green lights. And some people might say, oh, yeah, well, they're letting the driver, come through the other end. It's like, you've got the right of way. It's like, what you doing? The amount of times I see people doing that at green lights, slowing down and stopping. Brampton, another red light runner. I mean, I'm catching all these and people sending me these just within a couple of weeks. How? Specsavers, please. I think, is this the A69? I think that's, yeah. I'm doing 60 on there. It's the climbing lane, but grease lighting on the outside lane there. Wallop. And I see this quite a lot as well on this section in Carlisle, coming up to the Crescent. Vehicles getting in the wrong lane, coming, driving literally straight towards you. I see that loads. Oh yeah, this is Warwick Bridge. I think this is a driver just cutting the corner to get in. The indication, there we go. I'll pass me testy in that one. It's just laziness, innit? That's all it is. Just laziness. This is the Marsh Straight. That's why you've got to be extra careful on this road. It's a nice straight. People do put the foot down, but as you'll see in a minute, there is livestock. And they just walk out in front of you. Don't mind me. Silly cow. Get on then. Just take your time, eh? In your own time. Yeah, I'm not bothered about your leg. Just, skedaddle. Yeah, I do see people speeding along you and all. You've just got to be careful because they'll do a lot of damage to your car as well. If you hit one of them. I think this is no indication on Cumington Road. The mini roundabout. Is it? I can't remember. I think it is. Oh, yeah. Another car issued without indicators. Is this another indication episode? I think it is. Oh, yeah. There we go. Another car that doesn't get indicators issued. Just silly stuff, innit? I know people saying, "You got no else better to do," you know, all that. It's like, well, I'm being a taxi driver. I'm on the road. I see it. Might as well as a bonus capture it. Now, police, are they allowed to speed when they're not on the blues and twos? I'm doing 60. He's breaking the speed limit. No blue lights on. No sirens. Anybody can help out there? Are they allowed to do what speed they want? Whether they've got the blue lights on or off? This is a cyclist in the middle of the road. Just weaves over to my lane. This is a bad stretch of road, Wigton Road as well. There's been quite a few over the years fatalities on this road. Pedestrians more like it. It's a real busy road. Hopefully not as busy now with the bypass now open. But you'll see in a minute. Yeah, here he comes. Not only that, not even wearing bright clothing, but they're not bothered. Somebody sent me in another one. Like GTA, aren't they? Look at balaclavas on and stuff.
Some of them videos.
Are you just that one over there?
Yeah, that's the one. I'm
just going to park over that.
Yeah, I was going to say, if you go around in the park where that fucking silver cunt's going to pull him. Watch him, because I don't know whether he's a foreigner or...
Oh, you daft cunt, man. I've got you on fucking dash cam here.
Come on, you fool. Get up, man.
Miles away on
silly
that one.
sausage.
You silly sausage. Fucking hell, man.
I love that, you know.
Silly sausages on dash cameras.